I can't see. I cannot see. I cannot see. Can you see? Because I can't see. I don't like this. I don't know why I'm going to work because I can't see. Frickin' frick. This is stupid. There's a sign, can't read it exactly. Couldn't see. Oh, this ought to be interesting now. Holy crap, I'm scared. I am truly scared right now I don't know if I want to do this. This is insane. This is insane. There's the interstate. I'm driving onto the interstate with my camera because I'm an idiot. There's a car, a couple cars. Wow. I really should have turned around because this is scary. Should I put my brights on? Is that going to help? Flashers would help. Yep. Driving to work. This is what I see. Not much.